The benefits of youth work, I would say, personally for me, would be to work with some young people who would not necessarily maybe work within the community, reaching out to young people who are kind of struggling or find it hard to speak to adults. So yeah, just getting engaged with young people, finding young people, helping them, making a difference.
Benefits of youth work. Oh, there's loads of benefits of youth work, really. But for me, I think the benefit for me working with young people is actually watching them grow, starting off as that little seed and watching them flower through the years. And then when they come back to you at the end of it and say, remember me.
The benefits of youth work, I would say, working with young children, inspiring them. If they don't have like a role model, they have someone they can come to and look up to, show them a way out of their environment and their daily lives. Also, just bettering their minds, the way they interact in the world, to individuals and to themselves. That's what I would say the benefits are.
Y pobl ifanc, oherwydd mae hyn yn gwagle saff I nhw, like they don't get much of that around here. Just gweld nhw cael hwyl, gwenu, it's just both.
Beth yw'r manteision o gwaith ieuenctid?
Yn gwaith ieuenctid, chi'n gallu cwrdd gyda pobl newydd a gwneud ffrindiau newydd. Ti'n gallu cael profiadau newydd pan chi'n parhau mewn tripiau ac weithgareddau. So mae jyst y ffordd dda I just cwrdd gyda pobl newydd a cael profiadau newydd ac datblygu sgiliau.
Beth ydych chi'n gwneud y clwb ieuenctid?
Rydw i'n chwarae fel o Fortnite a Roblox, a fi'n chwarae darts a fi'n cael free snacks.
Yn clwb ieuenctid, ni'n chwarae loads o gemau coginio a ni'n cael fel picar hwyl gyda ffrindiau. Ni'n really hwyl a os ni eisiau gwneud rhywbeth, ni'n gael feeling yn
Fel neud for ysdegu.
ni'n very hapus fan hyn.
Dwi'n hoffi wneud y coginio oherwydd wneud y coginio yn beth gwahanol bob wythnos.
I'd dod mewn sy'n fel really that.
I do activities that are put on by youth workers and I chill with my mates.
What type of activities do you normally do?
We do things like cooking, sports, makeup, jewellery making, hammer making, the list goes on, honestly.
What youth projects are you involved in?
I'm part of Post-16 Umbrella Allies and the digital team over 16 group.
What do you do within those projects?
Currently in Post-16 we're doing gym sessions and boxing. Within the digital team's over 16 group, we are currently having a picnic as well as we do gaming sessions online. The Umbrella Allies is a place for people who are part of the LGBTQ and allies to go and kind of find a place for themselves and kind of be in a place where they fit in with other people.